Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you an exciting new feature in Photoshop Elements 2026, the Insert Object Brush. With this tool, you can seamlessly add new objects into any image using simple text prompts, powered by generative AI. Let's dive right in. Open your image in Photoshop Elements. On the left toolbar, click on Insert Object. You can also access it from the Edit menu. Use the brush to paint over the area where you want to insert the new object. Type your prompt, for example, a birthday cap, and click Generate. Photoshop Elements will create 4 variations for you to choose from. Pretty cool, right? Want to add another object? Just paint over a new area, type your next prompt, and hit Generate again. You can keep adding as many objects as you like. And that's it. The new Insert Object brush in Photoshop Elements 2026 makes it super easy to enhance your photos with creative elements, all in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Photoshop Elements tips and tricks.